morning. Yeah, I'm Stephen. I'm in the San Francisco Bay Area. Uh, I'm walking to church this morning. It's pretty cold for the first weekend of spring. It's actually 40 degrees Fahrenheit right now, or about 4 degrees Celsius, I think. Yeah, but it's a beautiful morning, sunny. We haven't seen a lot of sunny days this whole winter season. So now that it's spring, hopefully we'll get more sun. Well, rain is gonna come again this Monday night, Tuesday and Wednesday. Hopefully we won't get heavy storms anymore like what we had this past winter in the Sierra, Lake Tahoe area. They've gotten close to 700 inches of snow. So, you're talking about close to 60 feet of snow. Yeah, it's crazy. Looks like McDonald's pretty busy this morning. Yeah, it's around 10:15. Church service is over. Just walking back right now. Yeah, temperature is still pretty cold. It's 47 degrees. Uh, 47 degrees Fahrenheit, or probably around 8 degrees Celsius. But I'm gonna enjoy the sun. Yeah, since my church is located up on the hill, it has a great view of the Bay Area. It's a beautiful day. Not a cloud in the sky. It's a great morning to play some tennis. It's clear and a beautiful view of the bay this morning. Of course, it's sunny. It looks like they have removed quite a bit of stucco from the wall of my balcony, and they're going to replace the side of the balcony. As you can see, the wood is dry rotted. They're going to also replace the sliding door and also the side window. So I may decide to pave to get the bigger window replaced as well. Yep, they removed the concrete and also the waterproofing layer of the deck this past week. After I walked home from church, I did quite a bit of chores. I did a load of laundry. It's currently in the dryer, waiting for it to dry. I cook a pot of grounded turkey, potato, and vegetable soup. This will be my dinner for the week. And also for lunch, I made air fried wings, roasted vegetables, and fresh strawberries for dessert. Hopefully, this coming weekend, I will have the opportunity to walk in a park near my house. I'll try to shoot some videos as well when I do that. Till then, stay safe and thank you for watching my video. Bye.